In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play MP4 files directly in Google Drive. Whether you're looking to view a video someone shared with you, or you just want to have easy access to your own media files directly in the cloud, Google Drive makes it wonderfully simple. In the next few minutes, I will guide you through this straightforward process, so let's get started. First and foremost, you'll need to access Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. Ensure you are logged into the correct Google account associated with the files you want to view. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Google Drive, which acts as your digital workspace. After you're on the homepage, the next step is selecting the MP4 file you want to play. This can be done by browsing through your Drive folders, or by using the search bar located at the top to quickly find the file. It's a handy feature, especially if you have a large number of files stored in Drive, and it can save you a lot of time. Now, once you have located the MP4 file, simply double click on it. This action will open a preview window within your browser. This is one of Google Drive's key features that allows you to quickly view files without needing to download or open them in separate applications. It streamlines the process significantly by letting you access your content on the fly. When the preview window opens, you should see familiar playback controls, just like any other video player. Hit the play button to start watching your MP4 file directly from this interface. The beauty of this is that you can enjoy your videos seamlessly, and even better, Google Drive supports a decent range of video formats, removing the hassle of converting files. If the video is not playing smoothly or if you encounter any glitches, it might be due to an unstable internet connection. Streaming directly from Google Drive requires a stable connection to ensure the video plays without interruptions. So if you're experiencing difficulties, check your internet connection first. And there you have it, a simple way to view your MP4 files directly from Google Drive without any downloads or external software. Not only does this make accessing your media quicker and more intuitive, but it also keeps everything organized and in one place. I hope this guide has been helpful for you and enhances how you manage your videos in Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tech tips to optimize your digital experience. Have a great day.